Welcome. If you want to set password on your applications in OnePlus 8, for the first you have to enter settings, and right now scroll down to enter utilities, tap on it, then click on the app locker, and you have to choose the screen lock. So maybe we can go for the pattern, draw a pattern for the first and the second time to confirm, and right now we can also manage the notifications. Click right here to add apps, and for example we can lock the Netflix and the notes. Right now just go back, and we are going to open the Netflix. We have to input our pattern, and the same will be with the notes. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.